umigot sa stage, paano gumalaw, kasi it's very important in telling a story na talagang yung actions ay kasi nakakatala yun sa story, ano? At yung the modulation ng boses, tone, variation, so kung tataas o bababa, talagang, kumbaga nabibigyan buhay talaga yung story. We can, parang yung napipicture out talaga sa ating isip, how the story goes on sa pamamagitan ng kanyang boses at saka yung pronunciation, So yung tone variation is very important also. And then the stage presence, yung impact niya, talaga, the way he was or she was on stage during that time. Okay, pero magagaling talaga lahat. Okay, thank you.
Okay, gaya ng sabi namin kanina, lahat kayo ay panalo. Kung maaari na lamang na kayo ng 5. Kaya lamang, kailangan lang natin ay isa, yung champion. So, here's our